Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to cancel a meeting on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to take is to go to your meeting or the meeting that you want to cancel. In my example here, I'm just going to create a new meeting so I can show you. And basically, I'm just going to create an event or meeting. So let's call it Meet and add the Google Meeting video conferencing. You click on Save. And basically, because I am the organizer of this meeting, I won't have the same results as you have. So basically, to cancel a meeting, all you need to do is to delete this event from your calendar. And basically, if you have a meeting that you are invited to, basically you are just going to click on delete event, and it will pop up a window that will tell you to write a message of cancellations. So basically, to cancel a meeting, all you need to do is to delete it. And I'm just going to delete the event, and as I said, it won't have I won't have the same pop-up window because I'm the organizer of the meeting. So that's it. This is how you can cancel your meetings on Google Calendar. Thank you for watching and see you next time.